What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, and we're going to do an unboxing of the Xbox Series S. Just for clarification, this is the holiday bundle, which you could get on sale for $249, I believe, USD. This is also the digital Xbox Series S, meaning that it's not like the Series X with the disk drive, but you still get all the great features like the quick resume and the speedy solid state drive and all the good stuff. It's a very, very fast machine, and just no disk drive, so everything's all digital. Just wanted to make that clear to future buyers of this console. Oh, and it also does only come with about 512 gigabytes of storage, but you can buy other attachments. They actually have a Seagate actually has a little cartridge that you can buy. Two versions. You can buy one for 512 gigabytes, or you can buy one for 1 terabyte, or you can just get one of those standard hard disk drives that plug into the USB port on the Xbox Series S, and those can hold a lot more, 2 terabyte all the way up to like 5 terabyte. So anyways, I'm yammering on as we're looking through all the stuff here in the box. This is just kind of like a quick start guide to get you started. Thankfully, they've changed everything to where you can switch over your current Xbox, or even if this is your very first Xbox, you can set it all up with the Xbox app. That's what that little piece of paper was. We got us, looks like there's our HDMI cord, and we should have our controller in there. Oh, there's the power cord. Boy, I am excited that, well, the last generation of Xbox One didn't have one, but remember those big bulky bricks that were connected to the power cord back in the day? I hated those. Here's the controller. And I believe that's it in the box, so we'll go ahead and get that out of the way here in just a moment, and we'll focus on the console itself and the controller. Alright, here we go. This is the little Xbox Series S. I can't get over just how tiny this thing is. I mean, with them taking out the disk drive, made it so much smaller and everything. And it's weight-wise, it's a lot lighter. I mean, it's still got some weight to it, so you know that it's like a premium device, you know. Not cheap, not cheaply made, I should say. So it's still quite heavy, so it's premium, but it is a lot lighter than like the Xbox One, the original Xbox One, that big old brick, or even the Xbox One S, the slim version that they made. So it is a lot lighter than either one of those. But yeah, there's the Series S. I think it's actually a pretty sweet looking console. I kind of wish they would have, at launch, I wish they would have made a black version, kind of to go with the Xbox Series X, you know, and vice versa. Maybe they could have made a white version of the Xbox Series S, and who knows, in a year or two or down the line, they may do that. But, yeah. And then we got the controller here. I think they kind of finally updated the controllers a little bit on these new Series S and X models. But the only thing is they still take those AA batteries. But you can get special chargers that are wireless, that you can like dock them and charge them that way. and not have to worry about the double A's, you know. But anyways, that's been the unboxing of the Xbox Series S. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to like the video, comment below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. I'm out of here.